Alright, in our last four problems, we're going to either multiply or divide. So, sorry about that, in this problem we have 41.6 times 2.8, and the thing that I want us to remember is however many numbers are to the right of our decimal point in both factors, that's how many numbers are to the right of my decimal point in my final product. So again, I have two numbers highlighted, so I need two numbers highlighted to the right of my decimal point. So if you need to hit pause to check your work, this is how I found my work, or my answer, so please feel free to pause. I'm going to move on to the next one. 30.7 times 1900ths. Again, what I want to emphasize is how many digits are to the right of our decimal. 3 are, so in my final answer I have 3 digits to the right of my decimal. This is true for standard or for lattice. Number 39 is a division problem. I only have a decimal point in my dividend, so I just need to pull that guy straight up. And then I need to also add a 0 to get my final answer. So please take a second to be sure that your work looks like mine, and then we'll move on to the next one. In our last question, we have a decimal in both our dividend and our divisor. So remember, when we write our division problem, my first number goes on the inside. It's my dividend. So I have 9600ths divided by 3/10. So remember, we have a decimal in our divisor, so we need to move it over once to make it a whole number. So I need to also move it over in my dividend. That's how I end up with my decimal point in between my 9 and my 6. Bring it straight up. Then I finish out my problem. And I end up with 3.2 as my answer. Thank you for checking and double checking your work for this eday assignment. We will see you tomorrow for your test. See you then.